Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete software update on Android. You see that software update sitting on your Android waiting to install like it's on your phone, and suddenly you're wondering, can I just delete this? Good news, if it hasn't been installed yet, you actually can. What I usually do is head into settings, go to storage, and check the downloads or system files. You'll often find something labeled like OTA or update file just sitting there. Once I spot it, I delete it, and just like that, the pending update is gone. Another trick is clearing the cache or data from the system. Updater app, which can also remove the download update. But here's the catch. Once the update is installed, there's no simple undo button. Reverting in means going to advanced stuff like flashing firmware, which is definitely not casual friendly. If you don't want this happening again, turn off automatic updates in your system settings, saves you from surprise updates showing up uninvited. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.